All right, well, you can't get deals unless you make offers, and I'm gonna show you on this video today how to make 100 offers a month and do it in a fraction of the time. All right, Jerry Norton here, and welcome back to another video here on the Real Estate Freedom TV channel, where it's all about how to help you master real estate investing so that you can live your dream life. And in the series of videos that we've been working on here, it's all about working with agents. So we put together a series, Working with Agents. You can get that in the playlist. Just go to the channel, click the playlist, go to the Working with Agents, and you'll see the series of videos that we've put together. And in today's video, what we're gonna focus on is how to make 100 offers a month and how to do it in a fraction of the time. Now, most of the time when I tell somebody that I make 100 offers or more in a month, they're blown away. They're like, how in the world can you possibly make that many offers in a month? And I'm gonna show you how I do it exactly, and you're gonna be blown away because it's not what you think it is. The number one problem that real estate investors have is they spend way too much time analyzing deals. They spend hours and hours and days looking at properties and running numbers and meeting with their contractors and getting bids and all of this stuff just to make an offer and just to have that offer rejected, and they wasted all this time. I'm gonna show you how to do it and not waste hardly any time doing it. And here's the thing that's so important to realize. The more offers you make, the more deals you get. How do you make more offers so that you can get more deals? That's what this is all about. So how to make 100 offers a month. Let's break it down right now, right here. First thing that we're gonna do is when a listing comes out and it's a qualified lead. Now, when I say qualified lead, what I mean by that is it's a distressed property, or it's a lead that's in your market. It's a property that you would like to go after, and if you could get it for the right price, would be an awesome deal in your market. That's a lead. So when a lead comes out in your market, on market, off market, it doesn't matter, then you need to do a couple things, right? You found it, now you need to analyze it so that you can make an offer. Run your numbers is the analyzing. Run your numbers so that you can make an offer. You gotta get to that buy price, we call it. Now, I have an entire playlist put together all about analyzing deals. I've done tons of videos, tons of training on the buy formula and how to figure out how we run that formula to get to our buy price. I'm not going to talk about that in this video, but if you want more training and more videos on that, and I'm always doing more videos on that, then go ahead and watch that. I even have an entire playlist where I actually go through properties and I show you how I run the numbers and get to my buy formula. Real case studies, okay? So, but the point here is that a lead comes out, so we get a lead, and then we're going to run the formula. Now, to run the formula, we're going to put in the numbers. We're going to put in the after repair value, and we're going to put in the repair number. And at this point, we are just going to use assumptions, okay? This is a quick analysis, not a detailed analysis. We're not going to the property. We're not adding up repairs. We're not doing any of that. We're not looking at comps, none of that. We're going to do a quick analysis, okay? We're just going to get to a basic high-level number, and it's not detailed, it's not specific, we haven't spent any time focusing on getting to that number. It's a quick analysis based on some assumptions. Okay, follow me so far? Now here's what we're gonna do. If that quick analysis is more than 20% of the asking price, then we're gonna do some certain things. If it's within 20%, then we're gonna do a different set of things, right? So we're gonna think about a mind map here. So let's use an example here. Let's say that their asking price is $100,000. Okay, so that's what the seller is asking, $100,000. And let's say that we run our quick analysis, and I've got software and tools that does this that I'll give you for free. Okay, so we do a quick analysis, and let's say that you run the numbers and it's less than $80,000 is where your quick analysis would need to be. Your buy price is less than $80,000, meaning it's more than 20% from what the seller is asking. If that's the case, then we're going to do what we call a sight unseen offer. If it's within 20,000, more than that, so let's make it like this. Let's make this 79, just to kind of illustrate the point here. 79,000, and this one is, 81,000. Okay, or less. So if it's below that. So anything below 79,000, we're going to do a sight unseen offer. Anything above 80,000, we're going to do a further review and do a detailed analysis. Okay, so we'll call this detailed. All right, follow me so far. So let's follow the first set of rules here. So the seller's asking 100,000. We run our quick analysis, and let's just say that it says we have to pay 60,000. Okay, 60,000 is more than 20% from what the seller is asking. So what we're going to do is we're not going to waste any more time. We're not going to go look at the property. We're not going to go look at the property. Did you follow that? We're not even going to go look at the property. We're not going to look at comps. We're not going to add up repairs. We're not going to do anything. We're just going to take that $60,000 number that our quick analysis gave us, and we are going to make what we call a sight unseen offer. Exactly what it says, sight unseen. I haven't looked at the property, and we're going to make an offer for $60,000. Now, we're going to have a 10-day inspection clause. So we have 10 days. If by chance that offer is accepted, we have 10 days to make sure that that number works. So that's your kind of way out. That's your backup, your weasel clause to get out of the deal if you need to. But we're going to make that offer for $60,000. Now, why are we doing this? It doesn't make sense to spend time on a deal that you need to buy at $60,000 that's asking $100,000. Do you guys see that? If it's more than 20%, 20% is the magic number. If it's more than 20% of what they're asking, don't spend time on it. But we still want to make the offer. Why? Because we want to uncover if this seller is motivated. Let's say that they counter back at 70,000. That means they came down 30,000. Are they motivated? Yes. Now we're within 20%. Now we can spend time on a detailed analysis. Now we can go look at the property and run comps and do all these things. But until we're within 20%, we don't want to spend the time, but we still want to make an offer. So let me review. If it's more than 20% of what the asking price is, we are going to make a sight unseen offer. We're going to put a written offer together, and we're going to present that to the seller. And the reason why is we want to see what the seller does. We want to see how they respond to that offer, how they counter. And if they counter and their counter is aggressive and it's attractive, and now we're within 20%, great. We can now spend more time, do further analysis, do a detailed review, look at comps, look at repairs, and do all of that. If we run our formula or at any point we fall within the 20%, inside 20% of the asking price, so anything that would be 80,000 or above, then we would do a detailed analysis because we're not that far off, right? We're within 20%. As soon as we get within 20%, it makes sense to spend time on it. Now let's go look at the property or send someone out there. Let's run all our numbers and figure out exactly what it's going to cost to fix it up. And let's look at all the comps and get our after repair value dialed in. Let's spend the time now because we're within 20% of where the seller's at or where they're asking. Okay? This right here, following this strategy here of making 100 offers a month, I can sit down and I can make 10 offers in an hour. Did you hear that? I can make 10 sight unseen offers in an hour because I can look at it, I can quickly run my quick analysis, I can get to my price, pop my offer in, send it to the seller, done. 10 offers in an hour. Because if you want to make 100 offers a month, that's 25 a week, that's 5 a day, Monday through Friday. You can make 5 offers a day in an hour. Or in my case, I can do it in a half an hour, right? But let's just say an hour, 2 hours. You can make 5 offers a day, that's 100 offers a month. If you make 100 offers a month, you will be doing deals. There's no way around it. It's just a numbers game. It's just basic math. That's all it is. It's basic math. It's the law of averages. You make 100 offers a month, you are going to get deals. It's more about the the mindset of making lots of offers. Let me tell you a story about how this worked for me. I had an agent call me up, and they had a pocket listing. In other words, they had a deal, and they knew I was an investor. And they said, Jerry, I got this listing. It's a short sale. I already got bank approval. It's a really good deal. I think this is something you're going to want. I looked at it, did my numbers. Yeah, it was awesome. I bought the deal. I asked the agent, I said, how did you know to call me about that deal? And here's what the agent said. The agent said, Jerry, are you kidding? Our entire office knows who you are. This is a Keller Williams office in Michigan, in Northville, Michigan. There's like 100 agents. It's a huge office. There's 100 agents. She said, every agent in our office knows who you are. And I said, how does everybody know who I am? They said, we get your stupid offers in here every month. We see your offers. We see them. We know that you're out there looking for deals. We know who you are. So who did they think to call when they got a good deal? They called me. Why? Because I'm not afraid to put offers out in the marketplace. I want everybody to know, hey, I'm an investor. I'm looking for deals. I'm making offers, so that when you get a deal, you know who to call, right? That's what happens here. When you start getting in the habit of making 5 offers a day, 5 offers a day. Now, you can't do 5 offers a day if you're going out to properties and you're going to Home Depot to get a cost of materials and you're talking to contractors and you're getting bids and you're looking at comps. There's no way you can do it. It takes too much time. But if you follow this system, you will be making sight unseen lowball offers on properties that are more than 20% below from the asking price to your buy price. And you'll be only spending time on the ones where you're within 20% of where the seller is, so that you're using your time wisely. This is all about maximizing your efficiency and your effectiveness as an investor in this business. So that means you can get to that 5 offers a day, 100 offers a month, and you will start doing deals. Most people are lazy. They don't want to put in the work. They don't want to put in the effort to make this happen. And I'm going to tell you how it is in the real world here on this channel. You've got to make offers, and you've got to be able to make them quickly, efficiently, and get them out in the marketplace. And you will make a lot of money in this business if you're not afraid to make offers. Okay, hope this was helpful. You may have questions. This is a very advanced, maybe a very advanced strategy here. If you've got questions, leave those in the comments below. Everything I'm talking about in this series, I put together with working with agents in this PDF. It's an easy download. It's got my scripts. It's got everything broken down with exactly how to work with agents, including my double dip technique, which is how to get agents to bring you deals so that you're not chasing deals. Deals are chasing you. It's awesome. And I'll give that to you for free. Just click the link in the description and get that for free. And again, I told you this in the beginning of the video. I put all of these videos in this series of working with agents into a playlist. So go to the YouTube channel, click on that playlist. You can see all these other videos. Make sure that you become a master at working with agents so that you can make money in this business and live your dream life. This is Jerry Norton, and I'll see you on the next video.